Alright, episode 2. I guess I'm going to start some body work here on this Dart. Sorry for having my voice muffled. But it's a respirator match because I just took all the lead out of the seams in the car. Here's one of them. I think that because of the way this car is... That's better. I think because of the way this car is, I'm going to start with the roof. Clean the seam sealer out of the drip rails there. Sand down the whole roof. Then put Bondo in here as a safer alternative to the lead. Probably a little bit lighter too. Then prime it and then start moving down, because the roof is actually the cleanest part of the car right now as far as rust. Then what we'll do is we'll take the doors off, disassemble them, and body work each door. And then this side here actually is dented in a little bit, and it's got some Swiss cheese in it. So we're going to come around here to this side, and actually, like I mentioned in the previous video, the issue is this door right here because it's jammed shut, and I'm going to take care of that hopefully today, if not a little bit later on, but it's going to be in the near future. So got to remove the drip rail moldings on this side here. Then keep on sanding. And yeah, the guy tried some Panther Pink on there, and he also tried some Sublime here on the driver's inner fender. So there's the lead. I actually start collecting the lead and then go get rid of it the correct way. So yeah, keep on working at it. Okay, did a little bit more on the roof there, and I'm starting to take out the rear window clips. Again, sorry for the muffled voice, but I'm wearing a mask. Alright, starting to clean out this thing. Took the spare tire cover out, and there's the hole in the trunk floor. It will no longer hold up the gas tank, obviously. Got the wiring harness out of the looms along the back side here, and starting to remove it. If I can find a new harness, that's going to go in. Otherwise, I'm going to try to find some of that cloth wrap that goes around the original harness, after making sure the plugs and the sockets and everything for the side markers are okay. Car came with a bunch of original bits and pieces: coil, door locks, screws and fasteners, part of a jack, window channel, inspection cover. The jack handle is actually out of the other Dart, and there's the original kick panels under there. Probably going to end up redoing the seam sealer on here and replacing the whole trunk floor because of that, and this because it won't hold up the gas tank. The gas tank is actually getting replaced too, because I have another one of those. Then there's this hole back here. I'm going to see if we can patch it. If not, just getting a new trunk extension for the right side there. Alright, so I've kind of stopped working on the pillar there to let the primer dry up some. I'm going to try to do some stuff with these doors, and hopefully get this one right here, this left rear, to open up. Alright, well, the left rear door is off, like I said. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get it on video because I do not have a tripod, and it was really tough to get this off of there. But you can see why the door wouldn't open, is it looks like this car had some accident damage long time ago that somebody did not fix correctly at all. And it looks like the quarter panel here is original, but it looks like the jam got pulled away from it up here, and it just got really beat up. It also explains why the front left door here is a 1972 or 73 because it actually has a crash bar inside it. You can kind of see it right there, and see how it kind of goes along all the way across the length of the door. And then that might also explain why the core support was kind of crushed in, but at least the door's off now, and be able to take care of this horrible rust issue and all this bad metal here. Alright, now that the door is off of here, the next thing to do would be to straighten out this jamb so that way the door can open and close again. Thankfully it looks like everything is original, and it doesn't look like anything happened to it except the guy who did the repairs did a bit of a cut there so the door would look good on the outside. Then the rest is just slathered full of Bondo, and it looks like they just closed the door and forgot about it otherwise. But this is still fixable, absolutely still fixable, and we'll get on it pretty soon. Been working on the crinkled up door jamb here, and the snow around here is good for one thing. It's cooling off some metal after you've heated it up. And well, whoever did this repair before did absolutely zero effort to try to straighten anything out, like I said before. And even with just a little bit of effort, this thing is so much better. It's not perfect, and I'll have to figure out how to get this thing pulled so it gets closer to the quarter panel, but it's a lot better than it was. Alright, going to try to bring you guys along. Hopefully it works. Hopefully I'll be able to hold this and you guys can see what I'm up to. So I'm going to heat up the metal here, and I'm going to pound this out right here so that way it's all more flat. Because this whole striker area right here is crinkled, like I said. And on the other side that's not been damaged, it's totally flat. So stuff like this right here, and all this needs to be completely gone. And then this down here, there you go, that down there, that's not good. I think there's a hole in the center of that, so we'll take care of it when we can. Alright, now that's cherry hot. Alright, that's a little better. Still a high spot here, and I still got to take care of, yeah, there you go. Still a high spot here, so I have to take care of all this right here. Okay, did a little bit more of metal work. Had to have the torch on while I was using the hammer, so couldn't film it unfortunately. But that is absolutely way straighter than it was before. Still got the crinkle there, but at least we're taking care of something. Alright, got the door mounted back onto the car. Won't close all the way, but at least it opens up. It's a little difficult, but hey, it's not jammed anymore. There we go. So I'm going to leave it at this for now and get back to it eventually. Still need to work out the wrinkle right there in the tear. Then got to get the quarter panel and the door jamb piece fixed there. And hiding behind the Bondo there was a big hole, excuse me. Alright, so I think that's going to wrap it up for this episode of the Dodge Dart Custom Restoration. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.